Hey, I am a student learning data analysis, and one thing which I found really important is how to ask smart questions. In this video, I will be covering a simple method called SMART that helps me ask better questions when I am working with data. Some questions don't just work well. For example, like these are the best sandwiches, aren't they? This is a leading question. This already pushes you to agree to the answer. Secondly, for example, did you enjoy growing up in Malaysia? That's a yes or a no question. That won't give you much information. Then the third question comes as, do you prefer chocolate or vanilla? That's a pretty vague question. So, are we talking about ice cream or coffee? So, if the questions are confusing or biased, you won't get useful answers for your questions. So, here's a better way. You can use smart questions. Smart stands for specific, measurable, action oriented, relevant, and time bound. By specific, I mean when the what we are asking is clear. By measurable, it means the answer can be counted. Action oriented, like can be which helps us make a change. It helps us improve. Then relevant means we need to stay on the topic. Time bound means it should have certain time period. Then last but not the least, like if, for example, instead of asking that are the kids active, we should ask that what percentage of kids get 60 minutes of exercise at least 5 times a day. And that's a smart question. Also, make the questions fair. Don't make assumptions. For example, what do you like most about our exhibitions? This question assumes that the person likes the exhibitions. But the fair question should be, what do you like most about our exhibitions? Even if the person does not like the exhibitions, he can answer this specific question. So, as someone learning data analysis, I am finding that asking the right questions makes a huge difference. Try using these smart questions in your data analysis projects. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share a smart question that you came up with in the comments. Thanks.